guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm so sorry that we changed our name. We recently got hacked on YouTube, sorry, and on our editing app. So right now I'm editing on my phone, and I had to screen record our intro and all that. So it's really bad, and I had to get all of our music back and stuff. But on YouTube, I decided to make this speed build for you guys. So yeah, it was gonna originally be on an inverted speed build, but then I decided to not do that. So yeah. Because I thought you guys couldn't see the invertedness of it. So I was like, okay, then what's the point of this? And also, you could just read the names of the colors. So I just decided halfway through to stop doing inverted and just change it how I like it and stuff. So yeah. Also, I went back and forth about a bunch of stuff, of the colors and stuff, and also I could read it. So I was like, you know what? There's no point of this. So I decided just to do a regular speed build for you guys. And yeah, it's a little dark inside, and my avatar was a little stinky at the beginning. I'm so sorry. I just didn't feel like changing its needs or whatever. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, sorry for the background noise right now. This is really loud. But just wanted to come in and tell you guys that some of the clips got deleted. Well, most of the clips got deleted. And sorry for that background noise. If you could hear, I don't know if you could. And just want to let you know that I didn't know half the clips got deleted, but I'm sorry about that. So hopefully you guys can just understand from my point of view. And anything that happened this week is really crazy, and I'm just trying to get this video out. And sorry if it's late than our normal schedule because I'm trying to edit it and just it's so hard. So I'm sorry guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.